The new FastCOLOUR Large Format Printer from AM.CO.za comes with a new bulk inking system that can take up to 1 liter of ink per color. From there, the ink is fed into individual ink cartridges with built-in floaters to increase or reduce the ink pressure. And from the cartridge, the ink goes straight into the printhead via the new type of dampers that can withstand more pressure than the standard dampers. The bulk ink system features an alarm that will warn you when the ink levels are getting low. And since white and yellow in particular have an inherent issue with residue settlement, an automatic stirring device is included for both of them as well. The new FastCOLOUR is available in UV and ECO-Solvent options, as well as in various sizes of up to 1800 millimeters. Come on in and take a look for yourself, or call sales for more information.
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare part storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.